Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints tutorials. Today we are going to be decorating a page with some like shabby pink Christmas elements, and I won't be talking too much, but I did want to cover this one thing that I did, which was I made this little envelope, and it's real quick and easy. All you need is a sheet of decorative paper and the largest ephemera piece you're going to be putting inside the envelope, and we're just going to go ahead and trace around that with a pencil. Like so. And then from there we're going to be making a dot in the very center, and go ahead and measure that so you can find, like, if it's 2 inches across, you know, then the halfway point would be an inch. And so you're going to sort of find where that halfway point is, and if it's an inch, we're going to take that and like measure it from the outer perimeter, because the idea is that these points are going to fold into the center, so they need to be half of that length, if that makes sense. And then you're just going to trace between all of the points to get the flaps that will fold in like this. I hope that makes sense and isn't too confusing. I'm better at showing than explaining things. But this doesn't come in any of the kits, so I did want to show how to make it. However, if you want to save yourself the trouble, you could just use one of the coin envelopes from any of our kits that you'd like. But yeah, that was probably the most confusing part of this entire project. The rest is really self-explanatory, so I'm not going to be talking too much through the rest of this. I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch and follow along, and I will see you at the end. Alright, so that's everything done. I kind of wanted it to have sort of like an overstuffed sort of feeling for this page, kind of like, you know, when you get Christmas and you get all those things stuffed in your stocking. That was kind of what I was thinking about when I was doing this. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, just let me know down in the comment section below. But otherwise, I hope that you enjoyed today's video and got a lot of inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!